This is the HD-60. We're getting ready to tie off a bale. Okay. So it's similar to other models where you feed the wire through the face of the ram. The ram is all the way forward. Les has a tool which he is going down to grab the wire and pull the other end through. There's the loop up there. That's the loop he just pulled up. He's simply threading it through the face of the ram, or face of the door, to complete the loop and hook it into the knot at that end. Okay. So here is the knot tied like any other knot. The wire. The heavy duty door. You've got channel, you've got the locking mechanism right here. Hydraulically actuated.
Look at this slot down here.
Okay, and here's the tool going into the slot.
Each of these slots stops short of where the wire is, so if there's any material gets in the slot, the tool itself will push the material onto the floor as opposed to the other style which you have to dig out ahead of time.
Okay, so it cleans the slot automatically. There's the wire going back around. It looks very simple. And so on. Alright, so here we're using just a standard bundle of wire. I think it's 13 gauge, so this is what Les is tying off, 13 gauge. Down here there's a catch that holds the tray in place, and that tray will slide out if you need to clean it. But the tool itself, this tool, essentially cleans that tray out automatically. And here's the end of the tool. Okay. Here's the bale being extruded out of the end of the baler. It's like one wire snap. There's your finished bale. It's good shape. Probably weighs, it's probably 1,300 pound bale, I would guess. We'll weigh it. So, it's a retain. What would you call it? A retaining iron
Bar.
Retaining bar. Holds the trays in. Each individual tray slides out so you can clean it. That's the end where the wire goes down and where you hook it with the tool.